Hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the previous session, we were studying about the date picker example. Right. In that date picker example, we thought of looking at how exactly we can write down the code that will be getting the today's date in a dynamic nature. That's where we stopped the discussion, right? If you see, the tomorrow's date is gonna be the Friday 11th, but today is gonna be Thursday 10th April. So I need to generate my date in this particular way, Friday 11th April. I need to write down a customized program that will be getting this particular date. For which, what I'm doing right now is I'm importing this date time, and of course, I'm importing this time. Both the things I was just importing for now. And what I'm doing is, what are all the various days that we have? I was just putting it here in a list basically. So, Monday, okay, Tuesday. Let me create this list of items so that we can easily dive into that. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I have just defined these days basically. Whatever the days that we have, I just kept all those days. Okay, I just kept all those days in this. Now, what I'm gonna do, I need it tomorrow, right? And not today basically. So I need tomorrow. So whatever the tomorrow date here is there, I was using this date time, okay, in which I'm getting the current date time first of all, plus, okay, what I'm doing on top of this particular plus, okay, date time dot, okay, time delta, and here the days is equal to 1. So I just want the next date basically. And right now, to understand this particular information clearly, so tomorrow dot, okay, so tomorrow dot, probably I can go with this particular date. Let us try to run this and see what it is printing. So here it's gonna be 25 4. Today is 10, tomorrow is 11. So which means it's populating the right day itself, guys. Okay, whatever the day that I was looking for, it's getting the right data itself. The only thing that I need to change here is I need to get this data in my desired format. See, basically it's getting as a 25 4 11, but I want it in a Friday 11th April. This is the format that I was looking for. So what I'm doing right now here is, so if you see basically, so Friday, the day you will be getting it with a percentage A. Okay, percentage A, followed by you need a day. So that day value you will be getting it with a percentage D. Followed by you need a month. This month you will be getting with the percentage B. Percentage A, D, B are the three things that I need to use on top of this STRF time. So what I'm gonna do right now means come back here. This time I'm printing. Okay, this time I'm printing tomorrow dot strf time. So in this basically the first one is a percentage A, comma, the plus, add it. So here for the day it's gonna be percentage D, again plus percentage B. Okay, those are the three that we have seen there. Okay, let me try to run this particular script and see out over there. So what is the issue here? So the issue is percentage A. So we don't need a comma here. Why? It's a typo basically. Percentage A. Okay, this has a space. and this has a space. Okay, let me run it and see basically. See, Friday 11th April, we got this information. Now, whatever the data picker code that we have created earlier, copy paste that data picker code again, and on this here, this logic that we have created, copy it and put it in here. Put it in here. That's it. Put it in here. And now you just need to import this particular date time. Okay, that's fine. And once this is done, guys, so what we have done, so this tomorrow dot, this is the instance that it has. Okay, this is the instance that it has that accessibility value. Instead of this, I'm just passing that above value. That's it. Instead of this, I was just passing the above value. That's it. We are dynamically generating this day. Now, when I run this particular program, let's have a look into the simulator, how exactly this is going to work. As we are generating this particular date in a dynamic nature, no matter, ideally, it will be selecting the next date itself. Even if the script we execute tomorrow, it will be executing the next day itself. Say the 11th got selected from the calendar. So this is the way how exactly you can generate a date time stamp and execute this program, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.